Hey everybody, I'm Dan. Let's get right to it. We've got some US General Series 3 toolboxes from Harbor Freight. We've got a 27-inch floor model that you've seen in our unboxing video. And what we're going to do is we ordered a Durasteel butcher block on Amazon. It just came in yesterday. And we're going to unbox this thing, and we just have to make a couple cuts, and we're just going to put a simple butcher block on top of the 27-inch roller cabinet. I'm going to use a knife and just carefully go along. Let's hope it comes out great. This is a maple workbench. It's 1 3/4 inches thick. All kinds of paperwork. Yeah. It's really well packaged. We had good blocks on each side, and then they had these heavy foam pads in these corner blocks too, which really protected that thing nicely. I have to be careful because I'm afraid my wife might want to take this and use it as a giant cut board in the kitchen. But there it is. It's got a nice white side. It's got a darker side. It's got holes pre-drilled for a table. And as nice as this is, we're just going to put a couple cuts in it and cut it down for our US General toolbox, which you'll see in the B-roll. We've already made the measurements. The dimensions we have are the width of the toolbox top is 26 5/8, and then the depth of the toolbox is 21 3/4. So all we're going to do is just take this 24 by 30 inch butcher block countertop. We're just going to make 2 cuts on it and just place it on. It's a sacrificial surface. We take care of our tools, but this is designed to work on it. So that's what it's going to be. We've got lines cut out here. We've got them measured out here. This is 26 5/8 here, and we got 21 3/4 here. And what I'm going to do is make this cut first. Then I'm going to cut this, and then we're going to roll the toolbox into place, place the board, and see how we did. And again, this is a simple work surface for a nice toolbox. By the way, we don't have a table saw, so we have to cut it by hand. So we'll just do the best we can with what we have. All right, go. Okay, and that's the cut. We'll sand it up and we will treat it and make sure we can get some good life out of it. I just have to blow the sawdust out of my glasses. Okay, now I'm going to roll the toolbox in place. This is our 27-inch US General Series 3 toolbox from Harbor Freight. Perfect fit. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.